Hey guys, we're just getting ready, me and Vosky. What should we do today? What kind of content should we bring the people? I'm just doing my hair. Relax. Gotta make the bed presentable. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. I hope everyone celebrating Easter and Passover this weekend is enjoying the time they have with their families. I know it's going to be different this year, but you know, it doesn't change the fact that there's still lots to celebrate. On this episode of the Corona Chronicles, you are going to see a project I've been working on all week. This video is a little bit of a roller coaster. So a few weeks ago, I stained my favorite band t-shirt, my absolute favorite band t-shirt. I was so upset. We got most of the stains out, but it was still pretty noticeable. So I decided to tie-dye it because that's creative and I wouldn't ruin the shirt. Tie-dye kits really aren't a thing in Iceland. So I found a website that taught me how to tie-dye with food coloring and vinegar. Kind of like Easter eggs. What perfect timing. Love that. If you can't read that shirt, it actually says Neutral Snap. Neutral Snap is my favorite band. I discovered them a little over 3 years ago, I think, at an event I went to when I was in college, and I just love them. Their music is great. They're really cool guys. They're just a really fun time. Make sure you check below this video, by the way. I'm going to be dropping some links to not only Neutral Snap's website and their merch, but to an artist named Frank Fletcher. He's a family member of mine, and he's a country artist. He's kind of a big deal in the area where I'm from. He's got some stuff on the radio too, and his music's really great. Because of the coronavirus, both Neutral Snap and Frank Fletcher's tours had to be canceled. Now, neither Josh nor Frank reached out to me to ask to promote them, but the entertainment industry is one of many that are really suffering right now, and I just think it's important to support your friends and family any way you can. So yeah, check out the links below to their website and their merch, because if you haven't heard their music, you're missing out. So yeah, there's my soapbox. Let's get back to tie-dyeing. I actually tie-dyed this shirt earlier in the week and it looked so good. Like, check this out. Check it out. So I'm getting all of my stuff together and I'm soaking it in the vinegar water bath to make the colors more vibrant. And I'm mixing up the colors. I'm diluting it in water. And then I put on some pants because it was cold. And yeah, we start coloring it.
Mattress, a packed up clothes, a yellow suitcase by the door. But you said that this could be all for the best. We can be friends. Let's get lunch, or at least.
Then we threw it in a bag and waited overnight for it to cure. Alright. Bright and early Monday morning. Let's check and see how it turned out. Oh my gosh. I was surprised at how good it looked, okay? And then I washed it because you're supposed to wash it. That is what the instructions said. And all the color came out. I was so upset. On to round 2. This time we used far less water to dilute the solution. It's still soaking as I speak. I'm giving it 24 hours this time. And yeah, we'll see tonight how it goes. All right, it's been 24 hours, so we're gonna go open it up and see how it looks. At this point, I'm really pleased. I'm just letting it dry on the heater in my room. I think it looks really good. This was the final result. I dig it. I really do. Overall, I would recommend using the regular tie-dye kits, but if you're in a pinch, the food coloring and vinegar method does work. Just remember to let it set for 24 hours rather than overnight, and let it completely dry after rinsing before trying to put it in the washing machine. Don't forget to check out the links to Frank Fletcher music and Neutral Snap located below this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other playlists, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye!